Sound of the code. Lucas live, Lucas live. E-Buggy, amen. This is for all the eggs in the basket. All right, coming around. I got Aiden, Nathan, Nathaniel, Steve, Ryan, Billingsley, Gibby, Chris, Bronson. Leader up on that sweeper right there. Coming around down the right side, getting ready to cross the line. Aiden, he's in that blue, yellow, orange. Then I got Nathan, he's in that pink with the aqua color on that off camber right there. Then I got Joe right along behind him there in that green, black with the white. I got Trotter right there also, he's in that gray with the flames, yellow and red up on that sweeper. I got Ryan, he's in that all white right here, getting ready to cross the line now. .620 to go, 6:20 to go. Catch up with my leader. Oh, right there he is. He just catched by a little bit of lap traffic. No harm, no foul. Oh, sorry, I got them two colors mixed up right there. There's my leader right in front of me going through the center now. Oh, careful with the line. Stay high, clear now. Oh, that get ugly going down that front stretch. There's my leader right there with the orange in the rear. Blue with the orange, yellow wheels. Eden in that number 1 spot. Nathan and Nathaniel. Nathan, he's in that. Nathan Finn, he's in that green with the silver, black. Then I got Nathaniel Bentley, he's in that aqua with the pink color right here across the line. With the white on the front. Then I got Trotter right there with the black with the yellow and red flames like. I got Bronson right there. He's in that orange with the blue. He's in 5th. 4:45 to go. 4:45 to go. Got a little disagreement over there just before that off camera. That was Joe. Didn't like where he was at. Oh, gets it off there on that quad. Marshall's got him. Catch up with my leader. There he is, getting ready to go into that sweeper. Coming down off the sweeper now, getting ready to cross the line. Leader right behind you there, Bronson. Clear, left him by. .335 to go, 3:35 to go. Aiden, Nathaniel, Keith up into 3rd now, Nathan to 4th. Bronson to 5th, Ryan to 6th, Gibby 7, Steve 8, Chris 9. Billingsley 10. Coming up on the 3-minute mark. 3 to go, guys, 3 to go. Leader coming around crossing the line. Aiden. .230 to go, 2:30 to go. Aiden, Trotter, Nathaniel, Nathan, Thompson, top 5. Leader right there in front of me. See where second place is. There he is, getting ready to go into that back sweeper. Deep Trotter. Nathaniel Bentley's all over the back of him for second place. Second, third, right in front of me right there. Oh, got one upside down after the triple. Careful after the center triple. Clear now. .130 to go, 130 to go. Find my leader, there he is, right in front of me right there, Aiden Horn. Oh, second place, just did a little bit of lap traffic there for a second. Looks like we're going to have Nathaniel, then Nathan. See which one's in front of each other. Looks like I got Jim, then I got Nathan, then Trotter. Yes, it is. Ben, Bentley, then Trotter. 45 seconds, 45 seconds. Second, third, and fourth. Oh! Looks like Nathaniel will flip it over for a second. Trotter will take over that third position. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. I got Aiden, Nathan, Keith, Nathaniel, Bronson, top 5. Steve, Gibby, Chris, Ryan, and Billingsley rounding them out. Time, when you cross the line, you're done. Ben, Gibby, you're the first 2. No more laps, guys, no more laps. Bring them in, bring them in. Aiden, Nathan, Trotter, 1, 2, and 3. Aiden, Nathan, Keith, Nathaniel, Jim, Bronson, top 5.